how they look. They're like about a medium-sized mango, and they're so sweet and juicy.
Welcoming ArecakRose.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a unboxing today. It's from Fruits and Roots because I miss my Jamaican fruits, and they don't have these type of stuff over here. So you can't see me? Can't see me good? Yeah. Okay, so I'm not gonna edit anything anyway, so ay. This look difficult to open. How is the back side? Difficult.
You recording yourself?
You see it? It doesn't say recording, it has to have the little red dot.
Because I chat different stuff.
Oh.
It's a recording.
So yes, y'all. I'm so excited. One of my favorite mango this year.
Like
Yeah, you know, smelly. I smell it from upstairs. I say, "Oi." The heck is that? Okay. Wait. Make it so difficult to open. Oh my, wait a minute. Oh, maybe I have to pull it out. What is all this paper? Ah, maybe, did I do it wrong? Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Wait a minute. Okay. So maybe can I slide it up? Okay. You know what? I'm just going to cut the top. Sorry, y'all. I'm too rough with the knife. Ooh. Maybe I do have to edit this. So, I told them to send me... Oh, so not all of them are just the mango. Okay, it's just the mango, y'all. Because I ordered mango, soursop, and some sea moss. Woo! The real Julie mango.
what you call Julie mango?
I would have sweet then.
You see it?
It smells so good, like... Wait a minute. Mommy! It's
You
the
mean
real one.
they mango them? I like them.
Really? When it went to smell like Julie mango, mommy?
Julie mango, you mean the big old mango them that come in them yourself?
Wow, mommy.
Them eat them, yes. I like when I store up there.
No, this is not the same. It is not the same. What? This look like the same thing where I store up there? Even the shape look good. No. I refuse. I wait knife there. I not even bring water to wash it. No, but I'm going to eat that taste and see what it is. Because they're ripe already. Sorry, y'all. I had to go wash it. Okay. So, like I said, I got it from Fruits and Roots. Oh my gosh. So you can find them at www.fruitsandroots.com. Okay, I'm gonna say fruits don't mix well with other food. But anyways, yes. I'm going to try it. I won't put the knife. I can't believe I have to edit this. I really don't want to edit. I'll see how it looks when I'm done. I'm lazy when it comes to editing. Look at that. Nah, do this over, you know. Sure. So, she said not to blame her and left. My mom, y'all. My mother. Ooh.
Damn, you hit the spot. Tastes like candy, sweet like fruit.
What? No, sir. Mm-mm. Sorry, y'all. Excuse me. If you're real Jamaican, that's how you eat mango. Oh my god. And this is a small box. I'm gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 mango. Like a medium size. Oh my god. And it's a juicy. I hope they camera pick this up. That a joke. I hope they camera pick this up, guys. What? I'm sorry, y'all. Long time I not eat mango. It tastes so good. Fruits and roots. Fruits and roots. Trust me, I'm gonna add that again. What? It tastes like home. It really tastes like home. I chew no. Jeez. What? Huh? I chew no. What? Like the flavor that is in here. I'm gonna watch Akili. You know, because I have the computer, one side, one screen and the other screen. I'm gonna watch one side. Sit down there. Mommy, you know want some? Excuse me, I can't help myself right now. A long time I not eat some mango so good. It reminds me of when I'm home and I can just climb mango tree and pick mango and just get me. But yes, excuse the mess, don't care. But yes, may I add again. It smells. That's how you know the difference, because it smells so good. Yes, mommy. This me there. I truly don't know. I'll just see more on them. Oh. Excuse me. This is how they look. They're like about a medium-sized mango, and they're so sweet and juicy. But yes, thank you so much, Fruits and Roots. Oh, without you, I don't know. I would have to wait till I go back to Jamaica. I can't really carry fruits with you like that when I come back on the plane and stuff. So thank you. Alright guys, when the other stuff come, I will make another video and I would show you the experience just like this. All right, one love, peace.